weather you want to see when you're going doing photography. So good morning guys, welcome to another early morning adventure. Today I'm at Irish Photography Hides, hopefully going to photograph the con artist of the bird world, the cuckoo. So let's take a step into nature and see what we get. So it's a pretty overcast day, so I'm trying to keep my shutter speeds low to keep my ISO down. So I had company in the hide for the first hour and a half, and they're going to do the kestrel hide. I'm going to stay a little bit longer. I made a video here last year and I was just actually starting out in my photography journey, so I just want to see how my photography and my videography has improved. So I'll compare the two videos and just see how things go. So we'll keep going here anyway, see what we get. So the female is just after leaving. I'm after getting a small bit of video footage, a couple of photos. Apparently she lays between 12 and 24 eggs in different nest sites while she's here. That's a lot of cuckoos. So the jays and the woodpecker come in quite frequently here, which is cool because while you're waiting for the cuckoo, we can get a few photos. There's a few small birds coming in and out as well. A robin, definitely one of the cheekier of the birds coming in and out. So this is actually an interesting fact that Christina told me last night when she knew I was coming to the cuckoo hide, that apparently the cuckoo only cuckoos when it comes to Europe. It does not cuckoo when it's in Africa. So for 9 months of the year, apparently it's never heard in Africa, only when it comes to Ireland and the rest of Europe. Interesting fact. So I done a small bit of research before I came on the cuckoo, and as I said, I made a video last year as well, so I had a small few facts on him. and apparently they parasite over 120 species of bird. That is absolutely crazy. So that's 120 species of bird through Europe are rearing cuckoos at this very moment. So I'm absolutely gutted. The female had just came in, meadow pipit, constantly trying to lunge at it, and I couldn't catch focus on it. They both went back to a second branch, landed, got a couple of photos beside each other, but fucking camera let me down there bad, or my own skills, whichever, raging. It's also believed that the cuckoo will lay its egg with the same species of bird that reared it. So if a meadow pipit reared it, it'll go back to a meadow pipit. Its nest, reed bunting, Donnock. So like its instincts are absolutely fantastic. So the female has just flown down this way and came back up again with two meadow pipits chasing it down. It's like a scene out of Top Gun, Maverick and Goose. There might be just a week, two at most left before the cuckoo goes back. Apparently they go back in the last 2 weeks of June, and their young then follows several weeks later. It's amazing that they actually reared by a different species and can fly the whole way back to South Africa with no guidance. It's absolutely amazing, nature at its best. So guys, that's it. I'm packing up. Richard is collecting me there at 10:30. I've had an amazing morning. Irish photography hides, whether you're an advanced photographer or a beginner, has everything set up for you. It's absolutely amazing. To me, the cuckoo is like a mythical unicorn type creature. you know, everybody hears it, nobody sees it. And to be able to come over and photograph the male and the female in the one place, absolutely brilliant. Absolutely amazing here. That's it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next video. Bye now. Absolutely fantastic. My morning is finished, guys, but my day is not. I've decided to extend it, and I'm going to stay and do the red squirrel hide. It's a 2-hour drive to my house. I've drove this far. I may stay and take advantage of it, so I'm going to go do the red squirrel. So there'll be a second video on the way of the red squirrel.